What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pigweed Farms. We hope all is well with you guys. Today, we're starting out with the sheep. I gotta get the sheep moved into here. So our last paddock before we start all the way back over on our grazing schedule, guys. And it is looking fantastic. So we are headed in now. Set y'all up here. Hopefully y'all can hear me good. I got some new microphones that we're trying out, so we're gonna come right here in this gate. Hopefully they'll follow and let them start eating down on it. We do have another winter storm coming in tonight, which sucks, but y'all shaking a lot. But we're gonna make it through it. We're not gonna leave the water trailer down here. I'm gonna empty it so it don't bust again. Guys, let me tell y'all something. The good Lord has blessed us, guys. Blessed us so much with this grass. Whoa! I got one that went through the fence and is currently in a different paddock. I got one on the outside of the fence that won't come on. So now we got to go through and try to move them. We do have our old goat shelter that I built 4 years ago. I'm surprised it's still standing, but it actually got flipped, so there's that. But we're going to go ahead and start filling this up and give them some feed just to kind of keep them up here. And then go down here and get these other two, because that's, you know, sheep, why listen for one. Let's see here. Get their feet off going. Come on, girls. Yeah. Y'all need to be dropping some babies. Y'all about ready to drop some babies? I hope so. Because we need some babies. Come on, cheep. Alright, guys, it's been just a minute. I had to run back to the house. We got a kid throwing up and threw up all over his mama, so had to go help with that. But now I got one of the ewes put back in with the other two, and now we get to chase the ram. So here we go. Alright, guys, see if we can get them called back down. Give them a little bit of feed. Chip. Alright, there's that. They are fed. Whoa, red wasp. Let's go in here and look at the grass situation. Side by side is almost out of fuel, but we'll buy it. We'll get some tomorrow if we're not on lockdown. But guys, this is their grass patches. This is what they look like right now. The whole bunch of clover. I mean, just a bunch of clover, a bunch of just you know, winter grazing style plants and good grass. I mean, guys, the good Lord has blessed us with all this right here. So I just go to show the power of prayer, guys. can work miracles. And it's just like where they're going next. They will come straight right back out of this gate and go straight down there. And it is thick. There's places down there in knee high and up. We're on the way to, we're not on the way right now. Soon we'll be on the way to get some more sheep. I just got to call the guy and be like, hey, you got some sheep you want to sell? He's like, yeah, let me go get them. So, yeah. Anybody else fighting this sinus crud? So, we're working at the places that they've been at like 2 weeks ago. Is already looking wonderful. I mean, it's just, I don't see us ever doing anything. I don't see going back to the traditional grazing method that most people use. Unless there was just like absolutely no way we could rotationally graze. Because I mean, this is just, God has blessed us so much. So let's go take care of everybody else. Keep checking on the piggies. I don't even know where this video is going to head to, but feed day, probably. So let's get this up here, get it unhooked, and then we have to, I ain't going to fill it up tonight because it's going to freeze. Let me get this gate. Alright guys, got it parked where we need it. Came back a little too far, but I think we'll be fine there. What I'm going to do is go ahead and open this valve. Nothing should come out, but where it's open in there is where that busted the last time. So it just barely cracked it. And we got freaking ducks everywhere. What is it, Trio? There, we got so many birds out. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Let's check on the pig. What's up, guys? Y'all ain't got no babies yet? Wilma. She's on her way to having pigs real soon, hopefully. Oh. Hopefully she'll have piglets real soon. We need to catch up all these other birds. There's birds everywhere. But we're going to catch them up at night because it's easier to catch chickens and stuff at night when they're somewhat sleeping. Oh! Alright, piggies are checked. Everything's still looking really good. Grass is coming back good. Guys, we are so blessed. I can't tell you enough. Let's go check on, we checked on these guys. You see them right there. They're a pain to deal with. I finally turned the ones that were in the greenhouse loose. So everybody can mingle, you know, Christian mingle with each other. The roosters are not a fan of it. There's one rooster in that whole pen, and he is ticked. Y'all need some water, don't you? Let's get y'all some water. I gave y'all some water this morning. Looks like they ran out of it. Across this. We're going to do a clean out video soon of the cooplex because we have got to clean it out. It is a wreck in here. Like, it's so full, it kicks itself out. So, bunch of eggs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 eggs in there. So, I mean, not bad. It's like yesterday. I didn't pick up yesterday, so that's yesterday and today. And then we got the old coop that's got a bunch of eggs in it. Through 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. and a whole nest up there. So, probably there's probably close to 2 to 3, maybe 4 dozen eggs in there. And then I think we finally got a goose egg. I'm not 100% sure. We got ducks out everywhere. That is a goose egg. Our goose just laid an egg. I don't know if it was this morning, but it was this morning. Our goose laid an egg this morning. I'm sorry, guys. I am ecstatic about this. I thought our goose was a male. Hey, we got a male inside now. I know we got a male turkey inside. We got a freaking goose egg. I think we got 2 goose eggs. Holy cow. You back up, Miss Thing. I will put you in a frying pan. Look at the size of that bad Larry right there. Where are you going? Look at the size of that. I don't even have like a normal goose. Goose, you laid an egg, Goose. You laid an egg. You ain't worried about this egg. You worry about that water. I gotta get Mars' reaction on this. This is crazy. Are y'all out of food too? I'll bring y'all some food back. All right. Let me go get her reaction on it. This is crazy. Look at the size of that bad Larry. What? That's crazy. Hold on, guys. We got all these guys in here. Let's see here. Hey. Goose. What?
Can I have my glasses?
I don't care.
I mean,
yeah, if you want your glasses, I'll get you your glasses now.
I apologize. I'm looking over there, and I'm just like, his whole face is fuzzy.
Look, that's crazy, ain't it? Alright. I bought these Friday. We got some up here. We're raising for a lady. Those are going in the greenhouse next because they stink. They're too big to be inside a brooder. I just didn't have a brooder open at the time, or an outdoor brooder. So, but what? I told y'all I let you back in. Y'all don't want to listen. Listen, Linda. You want to get back in? Here you go. If you're tired of Dale chasing you, here you go. Go. So, what's up, Turk? Turk. Miss Turkey. Alright, let that fill up. We'll get right back with you. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Alright guys, I'm done. Go ahead and end this video off here, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. We love you. Got any questions, drop them down below. Guys, what can you do to make a difference in somebody else's life? I gotta run town, get a thermometer for the little one, and see if we can get him feeling better. So, thanks for watching, guys.